Hello, my lovely angels. How are you guys doing? I hope you're fine and rocking as always. Today, we are going to see how your coming week is going to be. We're also going to see a certain information from the oracle cards, from the tea leaf cards, and the book of answers, and your wheel of fortune. So, you have three options over here. Option number one is this beautiful wheel of fortune card. Option number two is this strength card. And option number three is this temperance card. So you can choose any option that you are drawn towards. You can also choose it with the help of three pieces of paper. In each piece of paper, write one pile number, pile 1, pile 2 and pile 3. Only one number, and just say, dear God, Goddess, Archangels, how the coming week is going to be for me. And then close your eyes, pick up any one piece of paper, whatever number is in that piece of paper, that's going to be your pile. So if you get pile 3, that's going to be a pile. Alright, that's my favorite method. You can try that as well. So let's get started. Hello, my lovely angels. How are you guys doing? I hope you're fine and rocking as always. You have chosen this beautiful Wheel of Fortune card, which means this week a lot of things are going to start moving ahead. All right, stagnancy is going to go, and there will be this new energy rushing in. Let's see your cards one by one. Beginning of the week, mid of the week. I'm hearing the word spiritual place. Some of you are going to visit a temple, church, mosque, or a gurudwara, a place of worship basically. The beginning of the week, you got the Two of Swords. So it may so happen that you may feel down because of a criticism that you have received, or you may start doubting your own self. However, you have endless potential. Please understand. Don't let criticism go to your heart and appreciation go to your head. All right. Focus on your self worth. The mid of the week, you have got the High Priestess card, which means you're going to spend time doing spiritual activities. Your intuition is going to be extremely high. You are going to get a lot of guidance. Also, keep information to yourself. You will visit a spiritual place. You may also visit a psychic or an astrologer or a fortune teller. At the end of the week, you have got the Nine of Wands. So you may feel very anxious, because you may feel, what if the past repeats itself? You will kind of spend time worrying, being anxious. However, do not do that. Focus completely on how life has gotten you out of trouble as well. I feel that the entire weekend you may just spend kind of revisiting the past, but don't do that. At times when we worry too much, it is also a tool for law of attraction. Okay, worry is natural. It's okay to spend few seconds, minutes contemplating about something that you are worried about, but don't get sucked into its energy. All right, now let's see what the tea leaf cards are going to tell us. Cup, you should accept valid criticism. So see, the Two of Swords and this goes hand in hand. At times people just remove frustration on someone, or at times people have a motive wherein they want to bring someone down. And how do they do that? By being very critical. However, one needs to understand, whatever you give comes back to you multiplied. If you give harsh words, it's going to come back to you sooner or later. So don't let other people's criticism affect you. If it is constructive, then you should accept it. Okay, constructive criticism helps, does not break you down, it kind of builds you up. Disappointment in some affair, so something is going to be like a little disappointing. However, do not, again, as I said, give unnecessary energy to it. Let's see the blessing coming to you in the week ahead. You have got blessing on your wisdom, so definitely all this energy, okay, you are going to get a lot of wisdom out of it, and this wisdom is going to help you to move ahead. Okay, now let's see what your book of answers is going to tell us. So think about a question, group 1, and let me remove. It may be difficult, but you will find value in it. All right. So don't worry, even though it whatever the question you asked, it may be difficult, but definitely it will add a lot of worth and value in your life. Now think about a question, group 1, and let me spin the wheel for you. You have got a yes. So whatever it is that you asked, the answer is a yes. Sorry. So group 1, I hope you enjoyed this reading as much as I did. This week, I had uploaded a reading on how the next 6 months of 2024 is going to be for you. In case if you missed that, do watch it again. Also, there is this Hanuman message from Sri Hanuman that is also uploaded. Sort of poll I conduct on my Instagram broadcast based on which I choose topics. So if you want to know more details, just look at those, be a part of our Instagram broadcast. And yes, I have an upcoming workshop on God, Goddess and Archangel Reiki, in which I teach many powerful forms of Reiki: Master Merlin Reiki, Lakshmi Narayan Reiki, Panchmukhi Hanuman Reiki. If you want to know more details about this God, Goddess and Archangel Reiki, you can click on the link given in the pinned comment. Take care. Bye bye. Hello, Group 2. How are you guys doing? I hope you're fine and rocking as always. Today, we are going to see how the coming week is going to be for you. You have selected this beautiful card of strength. So, inner strength and outer strength is going to be of focus. You will truly focus on building your strength by maybe you'll take up exercise, or you may see a therapist or a doctor to kind of increase your mental strength, physical strength. Okay, now let's see your week ahead. Beginning of the week, interestingly, this pearl just came out. It was at one place, static. Mid of the week and end of the week. So I feel, because of the pearl kind of rolling into your reading, I feel that there will be some sort of emotional movement happening. The beginning of the week, you got the 9 of Cups. So a wish is going to get fulfilled. You are going to indulge yourself in good food, good beverages, but don't overdo it. Even if the wish is small, be grateful for its completion. The mid of the week, you got the 10 of Swords. So don't overindulge, otherwise the mid of the week will look like this. The mid of the week, you may feel tired, you may feel betrayed, you may feel that you have hit the rock bottom. But understand one thing: it is darkest before dawn. So this ending will lead to new beginnings, all right? The end of the week, you have got the Two of Wheels, which means you are going to be super busy, you're going to be really occupied, you are going to be extremely involved in doing a lot of activities, multitasking, and you're going to do it beautifully. All right, now let's see what your tea leaf cards are going to tell us. This just came. Oh, there's 2 cards came. Right, let's see them. You have got light-hearted, carefree time. So definitely the 9 of Cups goes with this. You then got family matters. So family matters is going to be your focus. I feel there could be some disharmony in the family, so keep calm. You have got someone you know is undependable and insincere. So there could be someone whom you may count on to help you or to support you, and they may back out, which may lead to frustration. Okay, now let's see the blessing coming your way in the week ahead. Before I remove the blessing card, let me tell you, there's an upcoming workshop on God, Goddess and Archangel Reiki. To know more details about this workshop, click on the link given in the pinned comment. A blessing to bring clarity. So, if you were confused about something, you will have the clarity and the knowledge required to go ahead about it. Now let's see what your book of answers is going to tell us. So think about a question group 2 and let me remove a page for you. You got to deal with it later. So whatever is in your mind right now, uh, it's dealing with it right now is not really going to help. So take some time out, have more information, and then deal with it. Let's see what your Wheel of Fortune is going to tell us, group 2. So think about a question, group 2, and let me spin the wheel for you. You have got maybe. So it's a 50-50. I think the energy needs to be put more. I also feel that since you do not have enough information, that's why it's a maybe. Alright, group 2, I hope you enjoyed this reading as much as I did. If you did, do hit the like button, do subscribe to my channel, and also I have this workshop coming up on God, Goddess, and Archangel Reiki. If you're interested, click on the link given in the pinned comment, and I have put all the links regarding the book, the oracle cards, the tarot cards in my description column. You can just have a look at it. Take care. Bye bye. Hello, my lovely angels. How are you guys doing? I hope you're fine and rocking as always. You have chosen this beautiful temperance card. So, this week, things are going to be in balance. You need to kind of be flexible and let go of stubbornness. Okay, let's see the beginning of the week, the mid of the week, and the end of the week. We'll also see your blessings, your book of answers, message, wheel of fortune, and everything in detail. Okay. The beginning of the week, you got 6 of cups. So you are going to really spend time talking to your friend. You may reconnect with an old friend. You may also recollect all the memories that you have had. There could be a reunion happening in the beginning of the week. You will see kind of a pattern repeating itself, and whatever situation you may go, the outcome would be same as the outcome in the past. All right. The mid of the week, you got King of Swords. So you're going to be very practical. You're going to be busy with paperwork and formalities. You're going to deal with authority. Be factual and not unnecessarily dramatic. Also, there would be a man who can help you. And when I look at these 2 cards, this could be somebody whom you worked with or you were associated with in a professional way or for education. Okay. The end of the week, you have got Ace of Cups. So this weekend is going to be full of emotional new beginnings. There could be an addition in the family via birth of a child or marriage, maybe your or extended family. You're really going to be filled with nurturing and caring energy. Creativity is going to be all time high. All right, now let's see the blessing coming your way. Before I remove the blessing card, let me tell you there is an upcoming God, Goddess, and Archangel Reiki workshop, and this workshop combines the universal life force energy, that is Reiki, with the energy of God, Goddess, and Archangels, thus helping transformation, healing, and energetic shift in a very fast manner. You can look at the link in the pinned comment, the earlier participants' experiences as well. The blessing coming your way is a blessing of fire, which means lot of action happening, lot of adventure happening, lot of movement happening as well. Let's see your tea leaf cards. Oh, one card just decided that I'm going to be a part of this reading. All right. Good news. Wow, with the Ace of Cups and this card, I am not surprised. Amazing. A great news is going to come your way. Even if it's small, be happy. Problems to be resolved. So definitely there will be some sort of hiccups, but you will resolve it with the help of this King of Swords. Now let's see what your book of answers is going to tell us. So think about a question, group 3, and let me remove a page for you. It will remain predictable. So whatever you're thinking about, the outcome is very uncertain. Okay. Now let's see what your Wheel of Fortune is going to tell us. So think about a question and let me spin the wheel for you. It was about to go to miracle and then it went to no. So I somewhere feel that you need to get the no out of your dictionary. Okay, because that's not going to help you if you have that kind of an attitude. All right, group 3, I hope you enjoyed this reading as much as I did. If you did, do hit the like button, do subscribe to my channel, and all the links for the oracle cards, the book of answers, and the tarot cards are given in the given in the description. You can have a look at it, and you can also check out the God Goddess Archangel Reiki workshop. The link is in the pinned comment. Take care of yourself. A lot of love to you. Bye bye.